Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that core token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, core is the native token of the core chain, a Bitcoin powered layer 1 blockchain designed to unlock Bitcoin's potential in decentralized finance DeFi. Bitcoin centric DeFi, it enables yield on Bitcoin through mechanism like self-custodial staking, acting as a financial layer for BTC. Hybrid consensus, the chain uses Satoshi plus a novel mechanism combining Bitcoins is proof of work security with a proof of stake system for scalability. Fixed supply token, Core has a capped supply of 2.1 billion tokens used for staking, governance, and powering the ecosystem financial services. Core project institution rating is 4.1 and this project audited by Ceritic. Core token total supply is 2.09 billion and circulating supply is around 1.07 billion core token. Core token is listed on Coinbase exchange, OKX, Bybit and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.